I'm Lesley Reader Conversations Librarian at the Rogers Public Library. And today, for our Adult Take It Make It program, we are making marbled Easter eggs. This is my 1 year of doing this program, and I'm kind of excited, so I thought I'd do something really simple and fun and messy. And I don't know if you're like me, but I have tons of these plastic Easter eggs sitting around the house. And I keep thinking of ways that I could decorate them, and paint doesn't stick, and markers don't stick, and stickers don't look quite right. So I turned to one of my favorite craft supplies, nail polish. At first, I started out by painting little designs on them, and you can do that, but you'd have to be a lot more patient than I am, because my designs always ended up looking drippy and messy and not like what I wanted. So I thought, well, drippy and messy, let's lean into it. So for this craft, you're going to get 3 of these little eggs, 2 bottles of nail polish, a little cup, and a spoon. It's that easy. Because this is nail polish and this is messy, if you've got some plastic gloves hanging around, I would put them on. The first time I did this, I did not wear gloves, and I ended up with nail polish all over my fingers. But that, of course, can be taken care of with nail polish remover. Shake up your bottle of nail polish and drip some of it into your little dish of water. Then you want to take your egg, roll it around with a spoon, and you can see as the nail polish floats, it makes sort of a skin on top of the water. When you put it on top of the egg, it makes this nice marbled effect. And I'm just going to take the container and set it here to dry. And you're going to want to let that dry for, probably an hour or so, because you want to make sure it's good and dry before you get the second coat on. Now you can leave it just like that, but you've got more than one color, and you've probably got some nail polish sitting in a drawer at your house too. So why not pile on the color? You could put both colors in the bowl at the same time. I tried that. It's messy. It doesn't work as well as just letting them to go one at a time. So I pre-made this one with a nice demure reddish purple. Let's mix that with a little orange. I didn't bother to clean out the bowl. That blue is probably going to just stick to the edges, but if it doesn't, and a little of it gets on the egg, well, hey, cool. More color. And spin that around. Make sure it picks up all that nice globby color as a second coat. Oh, we did get a spot of blue. Okay, cool. And set that to dry. And really, that's basically it. We've just got these pretty marbled eggs that look like you spent far more time on them than you actually did. If you've got some nail polish colors of your own, you can do a third coat. Or you can, if you have your own plastic eggs at home, you can also, with different colors, experiment these. The ones I got, you'll have in your kit are kind of a nice neutral gold, which goes with practically any nail polish color, but you can try different things. Many of you will also have in your kit, your second color will be either sparkly or confetti type. You can do this the same marbling way, when I did it, I made the first bit with the marbled sparkly coat. However, when I went back over it when it dried, because of the glitter or confetti in it, it kind of globs in the bowl. So you're going to probably go over your egg at the end. And fortunately, it comes with this nice brush, and you can just touch it up and make it pretty and make sure it's a nice, pretty design. And that's all there is to it.